Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, this is Raising Grace, and today's video I wanted to show you guys our boo baskets for the kids this year. We are not actually setting out candy this year because of the whole thing that's going on in the world right now. I don't even want to talk about it, but we know what's going on. So yeah, this year we're not actually setting out candy for trick-or-treaters, but I am doing boo baskets, and we're gonna do it for our neighbor, our niece Brooklyn, and our kids Mia and Landon. And my kids are little, they're 2 and 3, and so is my niece, and our neighbors are a little bit older, but I'm actually doing the neighbors closer to Halloween, probably that week, and theirs is mostly going to be candy. But I thought that I would show you guys what I put in my toddler's boo baskets in case you guys needed some ideas. And yeah, so I figured, oh, also I'm giving my kids it the first week of October because there's a lot of little activities and books and all that kind of good stuff. And I'm also giving my niece hers the beginning of October because this is a whole month long worth of stuff that we can do. There's crafts and books and everything, and I always feel weird giving them it on Halloween and then being like, you know, like after Halloween, I don't know if it's just me or what, but my mind automatically starts thinking about Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I'm kind of done with Halloween at that point, after Halloween. So I didn't want to give the kids cute little Halloween books and crafts and stuff and start doing them after Halloween. It just kind of didn't make sense to me. So we're going to give them it this week, like I said, and I figured this will give you guys time to gather up stuff if you are giving it to your kids for Halloween, or if you want to do it a little early like I am. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into what is in the baskets. Okay, so here are all 3 of the baskets. The first one here is my daughter Mia's. This one's going to be my niece's, and my son Landon's, he's 2, and the girls are 3. So this is what their baskets look like, their boo baskets. I did go a little bit crazier for my kids. They probably need bigger baskets, but it worked out. So I'm gonna go through each basket and show you guys what I put in there. I'm going to start with my niece's. I didn't spend as much money on hers as I did for my little ones because she is my niece, and we'll let her mom and dad do that. I thought this was kind of a lot anyway, but since, like I said, we're not setting out candy or trick-or-treating this year, I just wanted to spoil them. But most of her stuff is actually from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing, this container is from the Dollar Tree. I like how it has handles and it's orange because she can use it for other things. She doesn't just have to use it for Halloween. The first thing I have in here is this little hand sanitizer from the Dollar Tree. It's just the Assured brand, but it is a decent size. And I got some of these felt stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so cute. A little ghost, he looks scared, and I wrote, "Germs are scary," because it is 2020, so I had to include this in her basket. And I'm also gonna put this in my neighbor's basket because I just thought it was too funny for 2020. Like, germs are scary, it's true. So that's that. I got her some of these veggie garden chips, Ghosts and Bats, which I also have in my kids. I just got those from Walmart. Halloween pretzels, and then a paint set from the dollar store, a little card about how we're booing her, a little sun catcher paint kit from the Dollar Tree with sunflowers, a Trolls pen from the dollar store. I got her ring pops and 6-lits, but these are just the little bags from the dollar store. It's perfect for 1 or 2 children. A painting set with a little easel. Decorate your own cornucopia, and this is mainly for Thanksgiving. Our little scarecrow. These are like wooden, and you can paint and decorate them and color them. And then I got her this paint with water book, and like I said, all of this stuff was from the Dollar Tree. So that is what I got her for her Boo basket. Okay, and this one is my daughter's, which I just realized the face is sideways, so I think I'm gonna have to fix this anyway. But I got her a lot of similar stuff. We have little pretzels, sixlets, and ring pops. And then I also had these like little squishy people from the Dollar Tree, and I thought she would love that, a little cat. And then we have your color your own Decor, our Trolls pen, and painting sets. A lot of this is similar, except I will show you what isn't similar because, you know, we have the Hello Autumn paint set with the easel, but I did add in books for my kids. My daughter's so into Trolls. I got this one from Target. It's a Trick or Trolls book, so we can read that here all of October. And then I also included more activity books for her. There's the Ultimate Trolls coloring book, the Paint with Water book, and a jumbo Frozen coloring book. So that is all of what I got for her. And my son's is also similar, but a little bit different. I got him a little squishy that's a jack-o'-lantern. The same treats, pretzels and ring pops and coloring things. Our garden veggie crisps. Now he is so into Blippi. So I got him this little Blippi book from Target, Happy Halloween, and I thought it was super, super cute to add into his Boo basket. And like I said, more activity sets. And then I got him 3 workbooks also, and all the workbooks were from the Dollar Tree. I got him Mickey Mouse coloring book, a jumbo Paw Patrol coloring book, and then I also got him a paint book. So the girls have the girl Paw Patrol ones and he has the little boy one. I'm putting back together my daughter's, and I almost forgot to show you. I actually found these at the Dollar Tree also, and they are just 150 Trolls World Tour stickers. And I knew she would love these to work in her little Trolls workbook with. So I'm sticking that in there as well. That is what was in my toddler's Boo baskets this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got a lot of cute little ideas and things to put into your kids' baskets. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below if you'd like to see more content from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!